Hey guys, so I just found myself a neat little hiking trail. I'm gonna head back in and do myself some hiking. If I see anything like extra special, I'll take some video of it. I'll talk to you later, guys. So guys, I just saw this huge tree here. I mean, this is insane. I mean, hopefully I'm going to try to give you a scale of it, but it's the whole width across here. And I'm going to stand in front and see if you can kind of see how much larger that is than me. Crazy. Super crazy. Wow. Pretty impressive, guys. Pretty impressive. Nice little hike here. Jesus. Look at these monsters here. Now this is a tree, guys. So I have this on a wide angle and on the GoPro here. And I mean, just look at that. That is insane. I don't even know if I stand next to it, if it'll put it in scale here. This is wild. Now look at this, guys. Here's one that got knocked down somehow, either chopped or it fell. It's further than you can see forward there. It's all along here. And let me give you an idea of the scale here. This is just me, like little old me standing next to this, and this is its diameter. This is insane. And this is not even a big one. You know, I mean, look at this one over here as we get closer. I mean, you can't, it's so much more huge than me, it's not even funny. Crazy. So that tree that was knocked over and kind of fell down, it was uprooted, and look at this. Look at this base root mass. This is insane, guys. I mean, look at that thing. Here's another monster, guys. Look at that thing. That's just gigantic. And this is a wide angle lens, guys. So look how the tree's filling it up. I mean, look at this thing. Wow. Just insane, guys. Look at this. I'm a wide body, guys. Remember, I'm a wide body. Hey guys, what do you say you come and do some hiking with me? You need to get the perspective of this. So this is a hollowed out, for whatever reason, redwood here. And if you just get the perspective here on how huge these trees are, I mean, that's all one. Hey guys, look at it here. I'm inside one of the trees. Man, a first world problem, guys. So there's this fallen tree sitting over my trail, and it's way shorter than I am. I'm telling you, first world problems. First world problems. And this fat guy is finally happy that the trail's going downhill. Starting to sweat and get huffy puffy. Don't worry, I'm not trying to blow your house down. Those are all giant trees, guys. All of them. More and more giant, and I mean giant redwood trees. The roots have taken over the trail. They make for nice stairs though, huh? Well guys, so the trail, when I got off of it, put me back out onto the road, and I wasn't sure where it put me back out onto the road, and the van wasn't there where it put me back out onto the road. So right now I'm wandering up the road deeper in, hoping that that's where the van will be, in the spot that I started the trail at. And if not, well, I guess I walk back to the trail, and I walk the whole 1.8 miles back and get back to where I started. Talk to you later, guys. Hey guys, so I went the right way. So I do have a sense of direction. There's the van. I'm back to the van. I am going to go further on this roadway here, just a little bit further, see what else is there, and then once I'm done doing that, I am going to go and try to hit the Stout Grove before I lose daylight, because the sun is starting to dip pretty deep. So here I am, living in a van down by the river, the Redwoods River. Hey guys, so I'm ready to crash out, and I had a really great day in the Redwoods today. It was a good time. I'll probably have some different things that I'll see on the way tomorrow to the Redwoods National Park. I kind of saw most of what I found real interesting today in the state parks already. So I'm gonna go into the national park, check it out, see what's going on. There was another state park on the way down that had some lagoons and stuff. So look forward to seeing that tomorrow. And you guys get out there and connect with people. Live your lives, don't just exist. And really, really encourage and support those folks out there in doing whatever will make them happy, as long as it's not hurting somebody. Peace.